Hi everyone, this is Mo, Senior Technical Program Manager at Fictiv, and I'll be bringing you this month's hardware roundup. First up, industry news. Automata has focused on 3 key innovations in the design of its desktop robotic arm: a rebuilt gearbox, user-friendly software, and a lightweight build. Waymo wants to sell their custom 360-degree field of view LiDAR sensors to other companies, but not to automotive companies. Their goal is to grow applications of remote sensing technologies outside of self-driving cars. SpaceX's Dragon launch has marked a new era in spacecraft design. Private companies are now coordinating shuttle launches and considering aesthetics of spacecraft as they progress towards consumer space travel. For some hardware inspiration, we're giving you a look at the first iPhone prototype as well as a 3D printed hairy metamaterial. Apple's M6a iPhone prototype was acquired exclusively by The Verge. It first entered the engineering validation test stage more than 10 years ago. Apple primarily used it to test the radio and software capabilities of the iPhone. MIT researchers produced arrays of extremely fine hairy structures using a conventional 3D printer. They're working to see how 3D printed hair can perform tasks such as movement, adhesion, sensing, and actuation. State of Hardware 2019 update. We had over 1,300 responses this year. A huge thanks to everyone who participated. Sign up to receive our 2019 State of Hardware report at fictiv.com/getreport. And now, the winners of our survey prize giveaway are Amelia Wilson for the TravelMate robotic suitcase, Travis Holland for the Rilo 360-degree camera, and congratulations to Alan Beskin for a $5,000 injection molding credit with Fictiv. To finish off, here's a GIF of a soft robotic hand with an origami design that can lift 120 times its own weight. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to spread the hardware knowledge. Thanks for tuning in to Fictiv's March Hardware Roundup.